fusioning the lights, and whatever colors of the fusioning pigment you are going to select, only you need is your crystal clear. You don't need any other solution at all to create it. And I always have a piece of paper here, so then that way I can able to wipe off all of the excess pigment. Hello Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube fam. Thank you so much. Let's see. Charming's Guru, hello, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so excited. So now what we're gonna do, I am going to add okay, so I'm so excited for you. It's gonna be perfect time. We're gonna do some cute fusioning design. And then keep in mind, you can add your pigment, your fusioning however you want, okay? I just want to add it randomly. You don't have to get exactly the same like this, but you can add it any. And keep in mind, you'll never go wrong with the fusioning. So if you want your pigment to be a little bit darker, it's a little bit more, it's a little bit more vibrance, you can add it more than it's just one layer. And then you start setting, you see it's dry. And we're going to let it just air dry. Should we do purples or should we do a neon? No, I think it's neon pink. Maybe purple. Purple looks good. Give it a good shake. It's really pigment. I think it's majestic. Oh, so pigment. And then you can do however you want. All right, let's see what's up with this one. Cool. Now it looks like a St. Patty nails. And all you need is crystal clear. Make sure you have a piece of papers, so then it can catching all of the pigment. All right, so I'm gonna do, just pick up just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And wipe it off. You can see that. So then that way it will release and remove. Basically is dry clean for your bristle. So then when you are going back and pick up more crystal clear, it will not contaminate your crystal clear bottle. Because just in case you want to use it later for your pearly white or your pink colors, it will remain as really nice and clear for you. So you can see that I work it from the outers and then work toward to the centers or inners. So then that's where you can create the veining, and then after you're done this, you can add more of the different colors of the fusion ink as you prefer. You want more veining, feel free to add some more. Just doing a marbles designs using glitz fusioning, it's definitely a limitless. You can create so many fun designs, really easy, especially for beginner nail tech, or even for the nail tech being in the nail game for many years and ready to take your nail art and accessory in the next level. So then you can able to add it on the service on the menu. Instead of, you can't every years, if you are maximum raising 10% up to 20% of the services, you can't getting the new set from, for instance, $50, $60, $70 and go up to $100. However, you can add it on additionals, add on the service, which is the clients love to wear it nowadays, and they don't mind to pay for extra to get at least couple nails to make it really stand out. Whether they are having a short nails or they having a long nail, they are never be too much. Get some cute nail art you can do from really classy looks of designs to really dramatics. So don't miss out an opportunity to take your business to the next level, so then you can work smarter, not harder. So you can see that I was talking to you, sharing it, all the ideas, but then in the meantime, you said you don't have to set it whatever the techniques. Basically, the keys is your crystal clear and a piece of papers here, so you can clean and drain off all of the excess like pigment from your vessel, so then you can able to pick up more crystal clear when you are. And then each time you see that I did pick up the crystal clear, but I didn't saturate my bristle, just a little bit, get it just a little bit damp. You don't want to be it's like really soaking wet with the crystal clear, because then it's going to bleeding all of this. Great, looks fabulous. We can add some colors on it. I have, you know what, I have weaver gel here, and then also you can even do the gel painting right here. I have a gel painting right there. Maybe gel painting, I will, can you get me some stick for the weaver gel? No. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and I want to finish this nail, so because it